going to Tempok Wu now, and against everything we read, everybody advises you go there in the early morning to beat the tours. We're going there in the late afternoon. All right, it's getting pretty dark down here. We may have been the last ones to get in. Yeah, if anybody's over here right now, don't steal our shit, all right? No fatties allowed. Yeah, no problem. Getting a little love from the Chinese tourists. I need a Chinese wife so bad. Hey, Chinese baddies, bro, hit us up.